Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Divanus Osoko. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to retouch this image right here using an action for it. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And at the same time, if you're actually new to my channel, you are highly welcome. So just subscribe to my channel to always be notified once I drop a new video. So let's just get to it. So this is the image I'm going to work on. So the first thing to do, I'm going to duplicate this background layer right here. So I'll just bring this down here and duplicate it. So once I'm done with that, I'll now get to my action. You can see this image, once you get to this action right here, you see the frequency separation 16 bits and the frequency separation 8 bits. So this my image right here is actually 16 bits, so I'm just going to click on the frequency separation 16 bits. So after clicking on that, it's actually going to load. You know, as action do, it's a play of what I did. Like I actually created this action just to help me once I'm editing my pictures, especially retouching, so I can be quick on it. So once I just click on it, it's actually going to load on its own. So just for me to pick a radius, so I'm just going to hit on 5. Then it's done loading right now. So you can see it actually grouped this to frequency separation, which I have my eye frequency layer right here, which is the skin texture. It takes care of the blemishes and others. So the low frequency layer actually deals with the mixing of the color. So I'm just going to start by brushing at first. So I'm just going to zoom this right in a bit. I think it's much, so this is okay. So I'm now going to pick my mixer brush. The weight is at 30, the load is at 30, the mix at 30, flow at 30, everything at 30. So I'm just going to reduce my brush, then I'll start brushing it. So you just take your time and pay attention. You don't mix the highlight and the shadows, you try blending them. So you can now see the image right here is actually looking so rough, but don't worry about it. So after doing my first brushing, so I just try and brush the whole face I'll brush the whole face with this. So I don't mind of the blemishes that is here, all these hair strands and other things. So I'm just going to take them off after I'm done with this first brushing. So once I'm done with this, actually I'm not done brushing the image. I just wanted to brush through the whole image first. So I'm just going to zoom this right in. I'll now pick on my chrome stamp. This is actually the chrome stamp. I'll pick on it, then I'll reduce it to a very small size, so I will not leave scar on the image. So I'll come right to my eye frequency layer right here, and I'll start picking the blemishes off. So I'll now take this bit by bit, so I won't leave scar on it. So this is a tutorial video which I'm just trying to show you the basics. Once you're doing this, you need to pay close attention to it. So just pick this off. You need to be very careful with this process because it can be a little bit damaging if you're not careful with it. So I'll just take this line off. So take that. I'll take this other part off. So I'll just come right here and do a small bit of it. So I'll come to the eyebrow and I'll pick this off. So you can now see I'm picking out the blemishes on the face of the image right here. I'll just take this off, take this other part off. Once you are doing this process, the picking of blemishes, you need to pay close attention to it, because any little mistake you do, you just damage the whole image. So I'll come pick this off. It's actually making the image look rough. I'll pick this off. I'll take this off as well, and I'll take this part off as well. Alright, so I'm done with the blemishes. That does not mean if I'm brushing again and I see a bit that looks so obvious, I'll not take it off. I'll just come right back and repeat the same process. So I guess I just start brushing again. So I'll now come back to the low frequency, then pick my mixer brush, then I'll increase it a bit, then I'll now start brushing all over again. So I'm just going to brush this. So I'll come here, you can now see I'm trying to blend the shadows and the highlights again. I'm not trying to ruin any of it. So while doing yours, you need to be careful as well. So this is the before of it and this is the after. So you can see there's actually changes. And I'll come right back, brush this part. I'll brush this other part off a bit. Then I'll come right back to the neck. I'll now start brushing. All these lines on the neck, I'm going to get rid of it just to make it look cleaner than that. So I'll now zoom in. I'll now pick my clone stamp, then it's on the high frequency layer. Then I'll start picking up the blemishes the same way I did on the face. So after doing this, I'll zoom it out a bit. I'll now come back to the low frequency, then I'll now go back picking my mixer brush again. So I'll just start brushing it again. So you can now see this is before and after. You can actually see the changes. It's not really that much. It's still making the picture look original, like the natural looks of it. So when retouching, you don't need to make your picture look so fake or look kind of plastic. So it's still maintaining the original looks of it. So if you think it's not okay, then you just brush. But this part here actually looks weird. So I'll come to the high frequency, then pick on the clone stamp as well. Then I'll just brush. I'll just pick this part off. So once I'm done with that, I'll just take it and just brush on this part a bit. So I'll just come back to my mixer brush and I'll start brushing it. So any place I think it's not really that nice, I'll just keep on repeating the process just to make it look extra nice. So this is the before of it, this is the after. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos coming up. And this video was all about me using an action to retouch my image. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. And if you want me to actually drop a video of brushing these hair parts, making it look more unique, you can drop it on the comment section, and I'm assuring you that I'll make a video on that. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.